Hello and welcome to News First Prime. This is Archana Ravikumar. Today we have with us the actress Kriti Kishetty. Welcome to our show, Kriti.
Thank you so much.
How is it feeling for you right now being in Bangalore?
Extremely good. Feels it feels very comfortable because I come to Bangalore very often. Lots of my relatives stay here. So
So Bangalore is not new to you.
not new at all.
Since the start of your career, you worked with some of the finest actors. How blessed do you feel about it?
Extremely blessed. I think it's I believe ever since I came and did my first film, I believe in destiny, a higher power, and I'm really grateful to that for bringing me here and giving me so many chances to be able to do something that I enjoy so much and work with amazing people who are so fine at their craft.
What made you choose the movie Arm?
So ARN basically, I when I heard the narration, it was very exciting to me. I think in my career, this is a film where I have the least amount of screen time, but the way it's been written, it's so deep. It's been beautifully written by Sujit sir and Jitin. When he narrated itself, they were. I found the story very exciting, and I really wanted to be a part of this vision. And apart from that, after the narration, they shared the vision board, which like it's like a pre-visualization. So they made like a pre-visualization board for like 40 minutes of the film, so I could see how hard this team and how long they've been working for, how hard they've been working to make this. And there was a small incident which Jitin just shared, so I want to reshare it. After they narrated, before the confirmation and all those things, all those technical aspects happen. There was a live that I did on Instagram, like my personal Instagram live,
Okay.
where I was asked a question about my Malayalam debut, and I excitedly said very soon.
Okay. So you didn't know then you will be debuting?
No, I will. I knew
You
because
were
it
in
was
talks
after
with
the
them.
narration, but there was no announcement made, so I couldn't say anything yet. And for Jitin, that was the official announcement. So apparently, they had asked people to ask those questions, which I just found out about. But it
So
was
it was all
very
scripted.
sweet, and Jitin sent me the screen recording of when I said very soon, so I could see how excited they were to have me on board. So I was also equally excited to be a part of this film, and they were equally excited to be like having me on board. And that really made me so happy because like it gave me such good energy that I just couldn't like compare it with anything else.
You worked in Tamil industry, Telugu
Yes.
industry. How different was it working in Malayalam industry?
I think, I mean, all industries in a way, everybody really works hard. But one thing I've noticed about Malayalam is that the films, the time span they make films in is quite short. Like, usually it's one schedule or two schedules, 30, 35 days, 40 days. This film was a bit of a longer film, but because there's three timelines, but usually it happens very fast. And the timings are pretty long, like much longer than what I've seen otherwise in my career. So it really made me wonder about, first of all, it takes a lot of patience for a director to work that many hours and still be able to, be responsive to all the questions that an actor has, still control the set properly. And then with actors working so many long hours, you still need good sleep, you need to be able to express, you need to be able to look good in front of the camera, and all these responsibilities which Tovino handles so well. And then I was thinking about the crew also. Even Jomon sir, the DOP, he's such a senior DOP, but he's so cool. And the light officers, the art department, the technicians, crew, I was thinking about them because me as an actor, I feel like I have much more luxury than like as compared to my technicians, because I have a vanity van. I can, in my break, I can rest, but then they come much earlier than I do on set, and they leave much later than us. So I was just thinking, when do they have the time to go back, talk to their family, rest, sleep, when I myself was struggling so much, which was so inspiring to see.
So being a Mangalorean, do you intend to work in Kannada movies?
Definitely. Actually, I thought after Telugu, Kannada would be my next endeavor, but somehow it didn't happen, and I feel like that's also because I heard from so many people that they're waiting for me to do a Kannada film, and so I feel like, and since I'm from Karnataka, I feel a sense of responsibility that okay, I mean, in all the languages, I have been very fortunate to receive wonderful scripts as my debut films. So in Kannada, I feel like I have more of a responsibility to make a lovely debut. So I've been very, very careful, and I'm still waiting for the right
Some
film.
scripts have come on your way.
Some have, but I mean, I think then I had a date issue also since I was doing films back to back, and that's why I couldn't give in. And it's when it's a new language, I feel like it's I want to give it a little more time because I need to be ready to be able to learn the language and give it proper time because I like to learn my dialogues and I I mean then I on set it becomes much easier to focus on performance. So when it's a new language I would like to give it as much time as it requires and give my whole heart into it.
Whom would you like to debut in Kannada if you?
I mean, like I said, I would love to work with everybody, but I personally have been really following Rakshit Shetty sir's work for a long time,
Okay.
and I really like his style of acting. So I would love to work with him.
Who's your favorite actor in Kannada? Rakshit
Rakshit Shetty sir.
Okay. So being a Mangalorean, you keep coming to Mangalore.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, ever since I was like a kid, we've been coming to Mangalore every year, and I stay for like a month or two every time I come. My grandmom used to live here, so all my childhood vacations were spent in Mangalore.
Okay. So what do you speak at home? Tulu?
Tulu. Yeah. So actually, I'm born and brought up from Bombay. So at home we speak Tulu, and when I go to Mangalore, everybody there also speaks Tulu.
Okay.
So I never got the chance to learn Kannada.
Maybe once you make a movie, you
Yeah,
should.
definitely. I really want to.
Okay. Okay. Then thank you so much
Thank
for
you
being
so
on the
much.
show.
Thank you.
Thank you.